In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore tabs in Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first want to do is click on the three dots in Google Chrome, and then from here, click on the history. And now this is where your recent tabs are going to appear. So I've had one tab open in the past, so I can go ahead and click on restore window, and that's going to restore that tab. Now, if you don't see that in your history, you don't have recent tabs toggled on. So to fix this, we want to go ahead, click on the three dots, click onto settings. Then from here on the left hand side on startup, it will say here on startup, it will say open the new tab page, continue where you left off, or open a specific page or set of pages. So if we check continue where you left off, now if I close out of Google Chrome, and if I go ahead and reopen it up, okay, so I've closed my Google Chrome, reopened it, and then from here, if I go on the three dots, click on the history, and then I can open up those three tabs. So if I go ahead and click on restore window, and that's going to restore those Google Chrome tabs for me.